You looking to get that webcam upgraded to the next level? Well, today's episode of Good Tech Cheap is for you. We have the OBSbot Tiny 4K AI-powered webcam. And let me tell you, this thing is pretty sweet. Let's go check it out. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, make sure to follow where you can follow, hit that like button where you can like, and get in the comments and interact with the community. Today's episode is brought to you by the OBSbot Tiny 4K camera. Now let me tell you, the Tiny 4K is an awesome AI powered camera that will track you and give you a crystal clear, sharp 4K 30 frames image. Yeah, that's right. We got all of our links and details in the description if you'd like to check it out. But as you know, we're going to have to take this bad boy to the unboxing table, get it out of the box, and see what all we get. Because you can tell, I'm pretty excited. Let's go. Let's get it out of the box, see what all we get. Let's cut the sticker right here. Oh yeah. A box in a box. Here it comes. Until it gets to the very end. There it is. Video calls with freedom. We've got some paperwork right on top. In a nice package. Oh, and then we have a sweet case. Nice little handle on the side, the branding on the front. This is a very nice case. Zips right up. Let's get it unzipped and opened up. And here we have the camera. Well, this thing is awesome. And it moves around, so it will follow you while it's being used. So that's pretty cool. You have the camera. You have a magnetic mount. Yeah. Works really well. You can stick that anywhere and it will magnetically stick to the camera. Then we have some cables. Let's get these opened up. We have a power cable to USB. Then we have an adapter. It's a USB to USB-C adapter. And right here, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that is everything right out of the box. Let's get this out. The adapter. So let's get it plugged up and check this bad boy out. So this thing is up and running and I'm absolutely in love with it. I don't even think you can understand. I absolutely love this camera. It's freaking awesome. The OBSbot Tiny 4K camera is an AI powered camera. And let me tell you, if you want video calls with freedom, this is the way to go. The 4K resolution gives you better details with the Sony 1/2.8-inch sensor that will give you the crystal clear, sharp image even when you zoom it in. Not to mention giving you a blurry proof image plus a little future proofing over here. I mean, it actually tracks you. The AI tracking packs a big punch along with auto framing technology. It is their next gen enhanced artificial intelligence tracking algorithm enabling to lock on to a person. Not to mention you can even zoom in and out with just hand gestures. The magical gesture control is absolutely next level, and I think this will be great for presentations or even taking a stream to the next level. I'm even thinking about using this in some music streaming on my other channel, so if you think that'd be pretty cool, let me know in the comments. To lock and unlock the target, you just hold up your hand and open the palm, and that will lock onto the target and let it track you. Then when you're done with it tracking, you can unlock the target and it will hold the place exactly where you left off. Then of course, to zoom in, you will just point up with your thumb out and it will zoom in, and when it sees you make that gesture once again, it will zoom out. And that really does help if you're having to do a lot of moving shots and you don't have anyone around to actually move the camera and follow you. This camera will do it completely for you. A one-man operation, and it looks professional. Of course, you have a privacy mode, which is a must-have for all webcams. You can tilt the OBSbot down and it will activate the privacy mode, as long as you're not using an application that is hosting the webcam, of course, until you launch another application and it recognizes that you need the webcam for a video call. If you do a lot of Zoom meetings or Google Meet, this thing will be awesome for you. Not to mention, if you're a Twitch streamer or a YouTube streamer, this can be even more powerful. I can see the AI tracking being absolutely amazing in just recording video for later uploads, like maybe making that new TikTok video. And even if you're needing that high-speed frame rate, in 1080p it goes all the way up to 60 frames, and with 4K you get 30 frames. So either way, you're gonna get a crystal clear image with all these awesome tracking options. And as for the microphone test, it uses a dual omnidirectional microphone system with noise reduction. And of course, I'm not going to just leave you hanging there. We're going to give you a mic test. So let's just have the open room test and let you see what you think about the microphone. Microphone check 1, 2. This is the OBSbot microphone test. This will let you know how it sounds as I ease back in the room and you get more of the open room. So let us know in the comments what you think. This is the microphone test. So that wraps it up. Let's get back to the video. Well, there it is. That's the microphone test. You can be the judge of what you think about that and let us know in the comments what those thoughts are. So I've been putting this webcam to use and I absolutely love it. The AI tracking technology is superb. It's had no problems tracking me, and I'm really getting into the tracking technology on these webcams. And as I said, this can be a great production tool, whether it's recording content to your computer or doing a live stream. I do believe the OBSbot is an amazing webcam to consider. So make sure you check out all of our links and details in the notes below on this camera. We would also like to give a huge shout out to OBSbot for sponsoring this video so we could give you this review. We highly appreciate it, and we are so thankful we could show you guys such an awesome piece of technology. So if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button to share that love, comment where you can comment, and follow where you can follow. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I would like to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch this video. But until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next review.